Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your Amazon product currency. This is particularly useful if you're shopping from different regions or simply want to see prices in your local currency before making a purchase. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After signing in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a small flag icon displayed there. Hover your mouse over this flag and a menu will appear. From the options presented, click on Change Country/Region. This is the gateway to switching your Amazon storefront to a different regional version, which is the first step in adjusting your currency settings. Once you've clicked that option, you'll be taken to a new page where you can customize your location preferences. On the left panel of this page, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it to reveal a list of available countries and regions. Scroll through and select your preferred country or region from this list. This selection determines which Amazon marketplace you'll be shopping from and influences the currencies available to you. After making your selection, look for the button that says Go to Website and click it. This action will redirect you to the Amazon storefront for the country or region you just selected. The page might take a moment to load as it switches over to the new marketplace, so just give it a few seconds. Now that you're on the regional Amazon site, head back up to the upper right corner where the flag icon is located. Hover your mouse over it once again, and this time you'll see options for selecting your preferred currency. Click on the currency you want to use for viewing product prices. This is crucial because even within the same regional marketplace, Amazon often offers multiple currency options depending on your location and preferences. With your currency now set, it's time to find a product and see the changes in action. Click on the top search bar and type in the name of the product or item you're looking for, then press Enter. Amazon will display the search results, and you can browse through them to find exactly what you need. When you click on a specific product, you'll immediately notice that the price is now displayed in the currency you selected earlier. This makes it much easier to understand the actual cost without having to do manual conversions. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the currency for Amazon products. Now you can shop with a clearer understanding of pricing in your preferred currency. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.